You have the Vortex HD65 Ultra, and you want to learn how to change this boring wallpaper. So let's learn. So the first thing to do, let's learn two words. One is lock screen. This is your lock screen when you bring your phone out of standby, when you just turn it on and you've got to swipe it or type in your PIN, password, or pattern. And then this, when you're into your phone, this is your home screen. So those options will come up in a moment. So let's get into it. So we want to go to settings. So most people swipe up once. Your apps are in alphabetical order. Ask for settings, touch. Okay, inside settings, you only have to scroll down a little ways and you'll see right away wallpaper, home, and lock screen. Okay, you have the choice of the live wallpapers and things that they provide for you, but you're an artist or your kids or grandkids are artists and you have photos that they've sent you. So let's choose photos. So in your camera, you've taken a picture of your kid's art. They just drew a picture of the moon and you want to use this now. So touch it one time. Now the important option here is that there's a check mark for set wallpaper. So let's touch that one time and here it brings up the options for the home screen, for the lock screen, or for both. Let's choose only lock screen for now and see the difference. Okay, let's go to home. Nothing has changed. See, it's still the blue boring thing, but we changed the lock screen, which is right here. There's the moon. Okay, so let's go back in and make it both. Touch settings, inside settings. We're going to go to wallpaper. We're going to touch photos again. We're going to touch camera again. We're going to bring up the art that we want, which is this moon. When we touch set wallpaper this time, now we want home screen and lock screen. Let's touch home screen and lock screen. It's going to work and it's done. Let's go to home by touching this button. There we are, beautiful moon art for not only while we're working on the phone, but also when it's locked. And that is how you change your wallpaper on your Vortex HD65 Ultra. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And hey, if you want to see a quick way to make your HD65 Ultra run even faster, watch this video next. Oh, we wanted to end with a cool with a cool close-up of the moon. All right, now we'll end. Thanks for watching.